If you are looking for the best engine degreaser, here is a collection you have got to see. Number 1. Most popular. Oil Eater AOD1G35437 Original 1-gallon cleaner degreaser. Despite its mildly aggressive name, this product from Oil Eater is actually a remarkably gentle product. It is non-toxic, non-corrosive, non-hazardous and even USDA approved for non-food surfaces. That is an impressive list, but don't let that detract from its main purpose. This product is made for degreasing, and it does that very well, tackling and dissolving all manner of greases and oils. It's highly concentrated, so you can dilute it to suit whatever task you require, and it is a good value too. Number 2. Chemical Guys CLD 201 16 Signature Series Orange Degreaser. While it isn't our favorite, the Chemical Guys CLD 201 16 Signature Series Orange Degreaser is a wonderful product worth considering. It is an industrial-strength, citrus-based formula that is tough on grease and grime. It is a powerful, multi-surface cleaner. It can work on engines, tires, rims, and undercarriages. You can even use it on wrenches and other tools. Its versatility makes it a great product to have in any shop or garage. It works very quickly and very well in terms of overall results. Number 3. SuperClean Multi-Surface All-Purpose Cleaner Degreaser Spray. We love it when a product lives up to its name, which is why the Tough Task Degreaser from SuperClean has made it onto our list. It really is suitable for the toughest tasks because it is industrial-strength degreaser and cleaner. After application it is designed to get to work instantly, and it works to dissolve a wide range of materials such grease, grime, oil and even tar. At the same time it's relatively mild since it's a water-based solution that's both biodegradable and phosphate-free, and it's also extremely concentrated. Number 4. Gunk B1CA, Original Engine Brite, Engine Degreaser. As one of the top-rated engine degreasers, this Gunk B1CA degreaser tackles all kinds of grime, dirt, and grease effectively, cleaning out your engine completely without the need for a tool. It's a heavy-duty degreaser though, so it works on many kinds of metallic vehicle engines and parts, but it can be a bit too aggressive for plastic engine parts or for home use. It boasts a deep cleaning and fast-acting formula. Protect your engine from future dirt and grease buildup, while leaving an attractive shine with the Gunk Engine Protector and Shine product. Number 5. Spray 9 22732 Grez-Off Heavy Duty Degreaser. For the best biodegradable engine degreaser, take a closer look at this Grez-Off offer from Spray 9. Delivered in a 32-ounce bottle with a spray head, it features a biodegradable formula that makes it ideal for eco-friendly buyers. This is a non-flammable, non-acidic formula which includes absolutely no petroleum solvents, and this makes it ideal for more universal uses, including on engines, in the garage, and around the house. It also has the added advantage of not smelling bad, since it includes no petroleum solvents.
click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.